Right now, we've unlocked the Create Portal feature. It's in your dashboard under My. This is where anyone from a casual user to a multimedia network has the ability to create a portal. What is a portal? It's a pathway to share any form of content into our new secure and private digital space that only people with Quix devices can access. If you're a more casual user, that's okay. You're not obligated to create portals. You could just log into your device and see what others have created. On the other hand, if you're someone that enjoys sharing or even creating content, you can use portals to share or aggregate content together. Portals also have capabilities that go beyond creating or sharing content. But for now, we are focusing on audio-video content. Creating a portal is easy. Just click the Add Portal green button on the right-hand side. You'll then see the portal previewer, which allows you to see what your portal will look like as you make it and before you launch it. All you have to do is upload a thumbnail, background image, add a title and description, as well as selecting the right category, rating, and other easy to fill in options. Hit save, and that's it. You can always come back, edit it, or even delete it if you want. Make it public, private, invite, or subscription only. It's up to you. Right now, for the test program, we have it set to free for all. Once you've created a portal, you can directly add content to it, or if you want to categorize content into collections, series, or episodes, you can do that as well. Creating collections with chapters and adding content is easy. It's a way to organize content for a bigger portal experience. At each step, you do the same thing. Click the subsequent green Add button, upload a thumbnail, background image, etc. First, make a portal. Then select if you are adding content directly or adding a collection. If you select Adding Content, then you proceed to adding content. If you select adding a collection, then you proceed to creating a collection, and then create the chapters that go inside the collection. Finally, adding the content to each chapter. When organizing content into collections and chapters, make sure to direct each one to the right location. If you mess up, that's okay. You can always go back and fix it or start over. There are management pages for all the portals, collections, chapters, and content you create or share. For instance, a social media influencer could create a portal and just add their content to a page. Or they could create collections of various different types of content, and those could further be separated into chapters or series or episodes. Or a fan could create playlists of their favorite social media influencers and have collections of each influencer's publicly available content. Whatever is publicly available, meaning that it isn't hidden behind a paywall or login page, can be linked into portals. To add content to a portal, whether directly or as part of a collection, all you have to do is drop in a link or URL here. This directs linked content into your portal. You can add a trailer to each page too. What's cool is that Quix can play content from any website, not just our own network. In the not-so-distant future, the upload button and live stream features will be unlocked. To keep bandwidth costs down during testing, we have the upload button locked and are limiting the URL tool to YouTube links, but just for now. This is so that we can make sure all the back-end functions are working properly. Once this feature has been tested, we will unlock the URL tool so it's able to link video, audio, podcasts, and other specified content from other websites into your portals. Quix will not be sharing user data with YouTube or third parties, including the IP of the user who created the portal. Nor will YouTube or third parties be able to see who is watching what is inside the Quix private network. Quix pulls the internet into a sandbox inside a walled garden, while at the same time keeping users' online activities private and secure. We want to see portals for sports, entertainment, news, science, DIY, anything and everything you can imagine. But remember to rate and categorize accordingly. If you have any questions about rating and categorizing content, please let us know. All of you will be able to sit back and enjoy all the content you guys put together. Let's embark on a journey to create an entire universe of portals.